Let's discuss cleaning gadgets that actually work. All gadgets, links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Chemical Guys MIC 493 Chenille Premium Microfiber Wash Mitt in lime green might just be your perfect match. Measuring 9.6 inches x 2.3 inches x 7, this mitt is designed with extra plush chenille microfiber that's gentle on your car's paint but tough on dirt. The 70/30ths microfiber blend ensures a scratch-free wash while trapping dirt deep within its fibers, reducing the chance of surface scratches. It holds tons of water and soap, making it perfect for large cars and SUVs. And the best part? It's durable enough to last for years. Pros: super plush microfiber holds plenty of water and suds. Scratch-free, perfect for sensitive paint. Machine washable and long-lasting. Cons: can feel heavy when saturated with water. Requires thorough cleaning after use to prevent dirt buildup. Next, Kimi upgraded electric spin scrubber is here to save the day. This cordless cleaning powerhouse comes with 8 replaceable brush heads and 3 adjustable speeds, up to 420 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for everything from bathtubs to floors and even tricky corners. With a voice prompt system, digital display, and a retractable handle, you can easily clean hard-to-reach spots without straining your back or knees. It's IPX7 waterproof, lasts 90 minutes on a full charge, and is perfect for any cleaning task you throw at it. Pros: adjustable speeds for different cleaning tasks. Retractable handle saves your back and knees. Long-lasting battery and waterproof design. Cons: can feel bulky for smaller tasks. Voice prompts might be unnecessary for some users. Next, GROWNSY bottle sterilizer and dryer packs a punch, offering 99.99% steam sterilization with a fast drying function that's 31% quicker than the competition. Designed to fit baby bottles, pacifiers, pump parts, and even your occasional wine glass, this versatile gadget can sterilize, dry, or store your items with ease. It's a stress-free, mold-preventing solution for busy parents who need to lighten their load and their day. Pros: compact size but fits multiple items. Fast drying and sterilizing, saving you time. Versatile for various baby items and even household use. Cons: smaller capacity may not suit larger families. May feel over-engineered for simple sterilization needs. Next, S&T INSEE dish soap dispenser and sponge holder is here to keep things neat and functional. This compact metallic silver gadget holds 13 ounces of dish soap and comes with a sponge, making washing dishes a breeze. Just press down on the top plate to dispense the soap directly onto the sponge. No mess, no fuss. Its non-slip feet ensure stability on your countertop, while the sleek design fits perfectly beside your sink. This kitchen essential keeps everything organized and within reach. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Easy soap dispensing with a simple press. Non-slip feet for added stability. Cons: limited soap capacity for larger households. Sponge size may feel small for bigger cleaning tasks. Next, Merlon sponge holder smiley face. This stylish black sink caddy isn't just about good looks. It features a unique smiley face design and offers 3-in-1 storage, allowing you to hold a sponge, dish brush, and even soap all in one compact space. Made from thick SUS 304 stainless steel, it's durable enough to withstand daily use without bending or warping. The hollow frame promotes air circulation, helping your sponge dry quickly and keeping your sink area clean. Plus, with 2 easy installation options, suction cups or adhesive strips, you can set it up just about anywhere. Pros: fun design adds character to your kitchen. Multiple storage areas for various cleaning tools. Durable stainless steel construction. Cons: may not hold larger sponges or brushes well. Installation may not stick well on textured surfaces. Next, COLORCORAL Cleaning Gel, your new go-to solution for keeping everything from keyboards to car vents spotless. This 160G gel is designed for universal use on a variety of surfaces, and it's made from a natural formula that's safe on your hands with a delightful lemon fragrance. Just knead it into a ball, press it into any surface, and watch as it lifts away dirt and dust, trapping it deep within its sticky fibers. It's reusable until it turns dark or becomes tacky, making it both economical and eco-friendly. Plus, it's perfect for electronics, appliances, and more. Pros: safe, non-toxic formula with a pleasant scent. Highly effective at reaching tight spaces. Reusable until it loses its stickiness. Cons: cannot be washed or rinsed. May not be ideal for larger cleaning tasks. Next, ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro Window Cleaning Robot, your new cleaning companion. This smart device combines 2,800 pascals suction power with dual cross-water spray technology, ensuring your windows sparkle without any elbow grease. With advanced WindSlam 3.0 path planning, it navigates your glass surfaces efficiently, adapting to quick cleanups, deep stains, and everything in between. Plus, its edge detection technology means it won't miss a spot, even on frameless windows. And for safety, it features a non-slip system and a 60 milliliters reservoir to keep the cleaning fluid flowing without constant refills. Control it easily via an app and watch it return to its starting point once the job is done. Window cleaning has never been this effortless. Pros: powerful suction and dual spray for thorough cleaning. Smart navigation with multiple cleaning modes. Safe and stable operation. Cons: requires regular maintenance of mops and water reservoir. May struggle on heavily soiled windows without pre-cleaning. Next, Ortolan Keyboard Cleaning Kit is your ultimate solution. This 10-in-1 all-in-one cleaning tool comes packed with everything you need, including a retractable brush, polishing cloths, a keycap puller, and even a soft plastic lens cleaner, making it perfect for laptops, cameras, and more. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains on your keyboard or giving your screens a streak-free shine, this kit does it all in a snap. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your bag or drawer, so you can keep your devices spotless wherever you go. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a pristine workspace. Pros: comprehensive set for all your cleaning needs. Effective on various surfaces from keyboards to screens. Portable and easy to store. Cons: some tools may feel small for larger cleaning tasks. Requires careful handling to avoid damaging delicate surfaces. Next, Koitat Handheld Steam Cleaner, a powerful, multi-purpose cleaning tool that uses 221 degrees Fahrenheit hot steam to remove grime, grease, and stubborn stains from all surfaces. This portable powerhouse heats up in just 3 minutes and comes with a 10-piece accessory kit, making it perfect for everything from kitchen sinks and BBQ grills to shower curtains, car interiors, and even clothing. The best part, it's 100% natural with no harmful fumes, making it safe for kids and pets. Plus, it has a built-in safety lock and cap for peace of mind. Pros: it's chemical-free, lightweight, and versatile with a long 3-meter cord for easy mobility. Cons: the 350 milliliters water tank is on the smaller side, meaning you'll need to refill for bigger jobs, and it has a 10-minute continuous steam limit. But if you're looking to tackle tough cleaning tasks without harsh chemicals, the Koitat Steam Cleaner is an eco-friendly and efficient choice. Next, Dirt Devil Broom Vac Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner, the perfect blend of a broom and vacuum in one compact, lightweight package. With the convenience of cordless cleaning, you can tackle messes anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver and perfect for getting into every nook and cranny, making floor cleaning a breeze. No dustpan needed. Plus, with a one-touch cleanup system, you won't have to bend or fuss to get rid of dust and debris. Pros: it's portable, cordless, and compact, making it great for quick cleanups in small spaces. Cons: it's best suited for hard floors only, and since it's lightweight, it may not be as powerful as larger vacuums for bigger jobs. But for everyday dust and dirt, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac is a convenient, easy-to-use solution. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.